National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Oak Brook, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Maywood, Brookfield, Hinsdale, Westchester, LaGrange, Justice, Summit, Burridge, Oak Brook, Westmont, Villa Park, Bellwood, Bridgeview, Forest Park, LaGrange Park, Western Springs, Lyons, Riverside, Willowbrook, Clarendon Hills, Hillside, and Broadview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noah's